I'm going to show you guys basically how I built my incredibly powerful messenger channels. But there's so much to talk about in the subject that I do recommend that once you get through my module, keep on training on it, keep on learning. There's actually an entire course delivered on ManyChat. If you go to ManyChat.com, once you go to ManyChat.com, there's a video course. There's a course, a complete one, laid up in there for you guys, so you guys learn some more basics on how to set up your ManyChat and maximize its potential. You know me, you know my opinion. Always keep learning. Always take yourself to the next level, because in reality, there's never a limit into your real power. There's never a point in which you can say, I'm done. This is the end of it. I'm not gonna learn anything else. The moment that you start feeling like that is the moment that you start going downhill. This is something that I've experienced myself, and I would rather you guys not go through that. In about 10 months or less, in about 9 months actually, I've taken an account that had 0 people in it and turned it into a list bigger than 18 years of work. Is that crazy? I would think so, right? Especially when we are breaking records left and right just for this messenger channel. We opened up, my dad has a seminar coming up in Orlando next month. 600 people that fit in it. Sold out within a week or two, just for the messenger channel. This is power, guys. This is what it is. It's attention grabbing to the next level.